Sitting here today, do you know how much money Ms. Heard has actually donated to the ACLU, actually remitted to the ACLU?
Yes, I do.
How much is that?
So when you say remitted, do you mean direct payments from her personally, or do you mean something, payments on her behalf, or payments from a donor advised fund that she might have set up, or are you?
We can break it down. Let's first, from how much has Ms. Heard paid directly to the ACLU?
That would be $350,000 paid directly.
How much has been paid indirectly and credited to Ms. Heard?
There was $100,000, which was a check from Johnny Depp. There was a $500,000 payment from a donor advised fund at Vanguard. And then there was a $350,000 payment that appears to be from a donor advised fund at Fidelity, making it total $1.2 million. She had, when we initially had contact with Amber Heard in 2016, she indicated her desire to pay $3.5 million to the ACLU, and that was, and these were amounts that were in relation to that, her having expressed that that's what she wanted to pay to the ACLU.
So it's fair to say that she has not donated $3.5 million as of today to the ACLU, true?
True.
When you say that Mr. Depp, our client, donated $100,000 to be credited toward Amber Heard, did the ACLU in fact credit that $100,000 toward the $3.5 million Ms. Heard promised to donate to the ACLU?
We do credit it. We were aware very early on that her intention to contribute the $3.5 million to us was half of her $7 million divorce proceedings. I don't recall which specific communication with us gave us that knowledge. We understood that the other $3.5 million, the other half, was going to a children's hospital in Los Angeles.
What, if anything, did Ms. Weitz tell you about Ms. Heard's expertise in women's rights?
Ms. Weitz said that she had arranged a meeting between Ms. Heard and representatives of our Women's Rights Project and our Reproductive Freedom Project. And Ms. Heard spoke with such clarity and expertise on issues of gender-based violence that she decided that she would be an appropriate person to ask to become an ACLU ambassador, and she did so.
All right, let's look to topic 6. What, if anything, did you do to prepare to testify about your role, the ACLU's role, in the conception, preparation, drafting, or publication of the op-ed?
I reviewed the documents that we produced. I had 3 meetings with our lawyers. I spoke with Ms. Weitz and Mr. Romero.
Did Ms. Weitz tell you that she participated in the drafting of the op-ed?
She was in, yes.
Other than Ms. Weitz, were there any other lawyers at the ACLU involved in the drafting of the op-ed?
Ms. Weitz is not a lawyer. So were there lawyers involved in the drafting of the op-ed? I believe it was the drafting of the op-ed was all done within the communications department.